yeah, hey, all about cake, yeah, hey, come and relate, come and relate.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I'm going to share with y'all how I created these DIY wall art prints. I was on the hunt for the longest for some art to put in this area to match my aesthetic, but canvases were too expensive, so I decided just to do it myself. So I'm also going to share with y'all how I created these DIY quote frames. So let's go ahead and hop right on into it. So for my wall prints, I'm using these frames that I found at Michael's. They were actually a buy one get two free, so I only paid $40 for 3 of these, and this is in a size 24 by 36. I really wanted these to be like a statement piece in the living room. I found these prints on Etsy. If y'all don't know, Etsy is a plug for everything, but they have a huge selection of graphic art prints, just anything that you need. So y'all don't sleep on them, but they were about 12 bucks, and I got them printed out at Office Depot. It costs about $70. Right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert the prints into the frames. When doing this, make sure that the prints don't have any lint, just to make sure you can avoid the hassle of taking the prints out of the frame and redoing it. But this is what they look like once they're inserted. Like, so bomb. I love how these turned out. Like, the colors just pop. It's giving. To hang these frames up, I'm going to be using some command strips. These are great if you are renting and you don't want to damage your walls. To use these, you're going to rip apart the strips and then attach them together until it clicks, and then you're going to remove this strip on the back and then go ahead and apply that to the frames, 2 on the top and then 2 towards the bottom half. And then once you're ready to hang them, you're going to remove the adhesive from the back and apply it to the wall. I went ahead and marked where I'm going to place my prints with an invisible marker. But I'm just going to go ahead and hang these and press down on the command strips until I feel like this is as secure as it could possibly be. The instructions actually say to remove the frame or your art to let the adhesive adhere, but you do not even need to do that. Just make sure you apply some force and you'll be good to go. But this is what they look like once I hung them. I am in love with how these turned out. It's the exact aesthetic I was going for, and I was able to do it on a budget, period, poo. But right now I'm going to share with you guys how you can make these DIY quote frames. To make my quote prints, I use Canva. I love Canva so much, y'all. It is so useful. I use it to make thumbnails sometimes, and I also use it to make graphics. So y'all definitely be sure to check them out. They're free. However, you can do a subscription, which gives you access to more features, more fonts, pictures, all that good stuff. I went ahead and Googled some inspo to create my quotes, and then I just played around with it, experimented with fonts and prints and florals, and this is what I came up with. And then I just went ahead and printed that out on my printer, and then I did go ahead and make one more. Once I was done printing them out, I then went ahead and grabbed my frame. This frame is from Five Below, y'all. That store gets me in so much trouble. I literally went in there for like some incense, and I walked out with picture frames and home decor. Like, if you know, you know. Five Below is just that store. But anyways, so I'm literally just taking the picture that was inside of the frame and then cutting this into the size of the picture frame, which was 4 by 6. And then I'm just going to go ahead and insert that in there. And I did the same exact thing for the other frame as well, which is from HomeGoods. And these both cost anywhere from $4 to $5. But this is how the frames turned out. I think that this is a really simple, quick, and easy and affordable DIY. Great to put on a desk, a bookshelf, table, wherever you need some positive affirmation. So y'all will definitely be seeing some more DIY home decor videos from me, because that's something I haven't really been loving lately. You all be sure to make sure you are subscribed. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next one.